Hey everyone, I'm filming this video to talk about my hair loss journey and how that's kind of affected me personally, and how Lordhair really helped me gain my confidence back. And I started losing hair, I started noticing that it was getting thinner pretty substantially when I turned 21, which is pretty young. And I really just thought that it was like a phase, or like it was gonna go away or something, and it got worse and worse like over the years. And I would kind of, like comb it over and try to hide the spots as well as I could, but it really put a damper on my personality, my like desire to be out in public or with friends, because I was worried that someone was going to see me. I wouldn't go swimming because when the hair gets wet it looks thinner, and so it was a real issue for me. And I had been looking at hair systems for the past like 3 years, and I was really skeptical and kind of hesitant to actually like pull the trigger and shave my head and do it. Because I really wanted to make sure that it was something that would look natural, and that it was something that I could do myself as well, that I wouldn't have to pay a bunch of money every single time and go get it installed. Like, I wanted to be able to do it myself. And so that's when I found, just randomly, Lordhair, and I looked at their website, and then I went to their YouTube channel, and I think I watched like every single video that they posted. Just about other people's personal stories and what they did and how they liked it, and like what hair piece they selected. And so that really piqued my interest. And so that's when I emailed them, and I got an agent from the customer service, and I explained to them kind of what I was looking for, what was going on. And they were super helpful. They were amazing through the whole experience. I think I asked like a ton of questions, and they answered every single one of them. They helped me pick out my hair piece, which I will show you guys in a few. And installation was like super easy. It wasn't hard. I think the hardest part was getting used to actually like seeing myself with all the hair. It was pretty intense, and it actually took me a couple days to get used to, because I was like, okay, like that's what I'm gonna look like now. And so, but I mean, I love it, and it's definitely helped me boost my confidence. And now I'm not worried to, go out in public, or, constantly like stand up tall so no one sees the spot, because now you can't see it at all. So I'm really pleased with the service and the hair, and I'll be doing this probably for the rest of my life, is just keep ordering new pieces when I need them. Yeah, and so I guess I will show you guys what I look like now. I've got the beanie on covering it, but yeah, so this is what it looks like shaved. It's kind of crazy. When I first shaved it, I couldn't believe it, but like it felt really freeing. Like I went to my barber, and I was like, I want to do the first trim. Like I want to know what it feels like, and it was amazing. It was really freeing, and I just like took it, and I buzzed it off, and that was the first step, I guess. And then I'll show you the hair piece. So I got the Quantum M, I believe that's what that's called. That's the one that they helped me pick out, and it looks super natural. The color pretty much matches my natural hair color, which is like a dark brown, and the hair quality is super nice. It's really soft, and the material is super breathable. I went with the Quantum M because, as you can see here, this is just like open lace, and my natural hair like grows through it, because like, as you can see, like it's still growing. I was only thin like back here, but I just didn't want to deal with it anymore, so I shaved it all off. But it's really good for people who are like active. Like I go to the gym a lot, or I go swimming, or I go hiking, and I can wear this and it won't come off. So that's super helpful. I'll kind of slip it on so that you can see like kind of what it looks like. This part's always funny, and it's not really styled, but yeah, like this is the length that I chose. It came like, I think it was like 6 inches long, and I cut it. It looks better when it's styled, but yeah, that is the hairpiece. It came in this amazing box. I don't know if you can see that. It says "For a Better You," and I just love that. I think that I would say their pricing is definitely fair. Like, I mean, I paid under $500 and I can install it myself. The maintenance is super easy. Like, it's really easy to take care of. And you know, if I had any questions, all I would have to do is send them an email. And their YouTube channel is actually really, really helpful. So, you know, my advice for anyone that wants to try a hairpiece that has been like really skeptical is I would look at their YouTube channel, Lordhair, and that literally gave me all of the answers that I was looking for. And it's what kind of prompted my decision to go ahead and pull the trigger and like do it. Like I was ready, because I got all the answers I wanted. You can see the testimonies from like real people, like the one I'm filming right now. And it's just really helpful that, you know, there's other people out there that are experiencing the same thing as you, and now we can do something about it. So yeah, that's kind of my story, and I hope you guys enjoyed it and found it beneficial, and that really, if you're struggling with hair loss, don't be afraid to do something about it. And this is definitely an easy fix, and it will definitely boost your confidence. It has for me. Like, it's changed my whole just like personality, especially with just being in public. So yeah, thank you very much.